Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini 2.0 for fun AI games and challenges, and I will be just play the game of this Jewels of Egypt. It is a AI game, and in this game there are very challenges. So I will just tap on this continue to game and wait for the moment for its loading. So I will be just tap on this play and match objects to find the jug hidden under the napkins. Okay, I will just tap to play. So I will just got 5 jacks, and what gonna do, I will just minimize it. And how Jimny help me to cross this stage, I will just simply minimize this game, and I will just open my Google Chrome, and make sure you will just log in with your Google AI Studio. So I will just on the left side is a stream real time. I just tap on it. So this is the multi-modal live API with Gemini 2.0. So what gonna do, I will be just tap the third option is share your screen, and I will just select this game and see the next.
Okay, so you're going to select this game and then see the next one. Is there anything else you would like to do with this game?
Okay, I want to know that which color is merged to win a jug.
Okay, you want to know which color you need to merge to win a jug. Looking at the game, you can merge 3 or more of the same color. The jugs are located on the right side of the screen and have numbers indicating the number of pieces required to fill them. Is there a specific jug you are trying to fill?
No, I want to know that now the next is which color I will just have to merge it and win the jug again.
Okay, so you want to know which color you need to merge next to win another jug. Looking at the video, you have 3 blue, 3 green, and 3 purple jugs available to fill. Any color that matches those jugs will allow you to merge and win. Do you want to go for a specific color?
No, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any more questions.
So this is, you can just use the Gemini 2.0 for fun AI games and challenges. And hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.